Well, hi, welcome to the Soul Sister channel on this Thursday, August 12th. My name is Kat. I have your Thursday astrology forecast. Before we get started, we are going to become balanced, aligned, and connected to our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity, all the darkness leaving our body. It's flowing right out. In its place, we're being filled by this beautiful white light that not only fills our body, but it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity right back to its source. While we're in this space of white light, connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Leo affirmation. I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me. We're going to say it together. We're going to stay in this space connected with our higher self for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me. Awesomeness, awesomeness. And I've been really pushing this affirmation because it's been coming in really handy other times during the day. It is very powerful. So we just want to make sure that we're visualizing us being part of the whole universe and then seeing the whole universe contained within our hearts. That's a great visualization for that affirmation. Well, happy Thursday. We're chugging right along here. Today is kind of quiet on the energetic side. There's no major connections, but we do have the moon in Libra. And this is a wonderful energy to be working on balancing any kind of relationship we're in, whether that is with our significant other, whether that is with a friend or a family member, whether that is a relationship with a coworker or our job itself or our boss, anything like that. This is all about bringing balance. How do you know if your relationship is out of whack and it needs balancing? You're going to experience feelings like not worthy. You're going to have feelings of possessiveness. You're going to have feelings of jealousy. If we're experiencing any of these feelings in our relationships, great opportunity to take a look and see the source of those feelings, because that certainly is indicating something in our relationship is out of whack. Now, when we're working with the moon in Libra, my daughter and I were just talking about this. We have to take care. The most important relationship we can have is with self. Everything starts with self. Just like the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, life is lived from the inside out. Everything starts with self. So to work on balancing our relationships of any kind, we start with self. We start with our relationship with our higher self by becoming quiet, becoming centered, going through a guided meditation or whatever it is that enables us to connect with that part of ourselves that is greater than what we can experience outwardly in our physical bodies. It is so important that we develop and maintain and grow this relationship with our higher self. As we do that, we will begin to find the answers that we're looking for, especially today, and as far as balancing relationships, we'll be able to begin to see why that relationship is out of whack. In a lot of cases, it could be because somebody, either partner, is giving more than the other. Now, we know that relationships aren't always 50-50 give and take, but that should be the goal. That should be what we're working towards. And if I am doing all the giving, that is going to leave me frustrated, exhausted, and unworthy. And especially with the sun in Leo, we need to be appreciated for who we are and acknowledged. And maybe in our relationship, this whole dynamic is out of whack. So we might want to take a look at that today. So everything in balance. It's also a time where we are interested in surrounding ourselves with beauty. The beauty of a beautiful piece of classical music, for instance, or a beautiful painting that we see in the art museum. We are really feeling, it's more of a refined feeling, more of an elegant energy. We may want to take our significant other to a very nice, fine restaurant to celebrate our relationship, something like that. So great energy to work with on this Thursday. And just remember, if we're feeling that we're feeling like we're a doormat, or we're feeling like we're being taken advantage of, take a look at that, and then what do we need to do to balance that relationship? Hey, has anyone get a chance to see the meteor shower that started last night? Just a reminder, we've got a meteor shower going on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week. So check your local listings to see what the best viewing time is for you. Also, I have 2 videos coming out fairly quickly, more quicker than I thought, actually. On Monday, August the 16th, I will have our monthly forecast for the sun in Virgo available. That should come out by at noon on Monday, August 16th. On Thursday, August the 19th, the video will come out on retrograde season, because as of Thursday, August 9th, we're going to have Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune, Pluto, and Uranus all retrograde, and Mercury will join them in September. So there will be a little video available on Thursday just going over the retrogrades, the lessons of the retrogrades, what we can be asking ourselves, and the purpose of the retrogrades. So be looking out for that. And then on Sunday the 22nd at 6 a.m., I will have out the new 15-minute guided meditation for the sun in Virgo. Good stuff, good stuff. So what do we got on this Thursday? Hollow bone, teachability. What this means to us is to be open. Be open to receive. Be open to receive constructive criticism. Be open to ideas that are a little non-traditional, a little innovative, may make us feel a little uncomfortable at first, but once we start thinking about it, we can start seeing the rationality of this idea. So remember to be open. Be open. Galactic mushroom. I love it. the divine matrix. All I'm saying here, guys, is we are all connected. I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me in an oracle card. No kidding, this is awesome. We are completely connected. Everything is connected. It's a fine matrix working together in order, in an orderly fashion. We just have to take our place in the matrix. That's all we have to do, and we are connected to everything, and everything is connected to us. And then mindful groupthink. So this is about coming out of our ego today. Remember, we're working with the moon in Libra, so we're working with the other, and we're coming together. We're working together on a compromise. We're working together on consensus or a solution to bring the relationship back into balance. And it's not I have the answer, okay? It's not, here, honey, I'm going to tell you how this is going to work. No, that is not what this is about. This is working with the other. This is relationship. At least a partnership of working together to come up with a solution together, honoring each other's opinion, perspective, each other's true, authentic self. And the final thing I want to leave you with today is that if we are not operating from our true, authentic self, and if we are not in love with us, if we do not love ourselves, then there is no way that we can love anyone else. So it has to start, here it is, the keynote from the Soul Sister channel. Life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great Thursday. Work on balancing our relationships and bringing harmony. Remember, don't be critical, don't be judgmental, don't have expectations. Allow the other's opinion and come up with a solution that is good for both of us or all of us. Have a great Thursday. I will see you tomorrow. Namaste.